We're here at Bundoora Park Farm, a perfect spot to bond with family and friends. Entry is just $12 for adults and $8 for kids. One of the highlights, the kids get to touch the guinea pigs, and they were absolutely adorable. We also had the chance to feed the sheep, another super cute moment. Look at those happy little faces. Mommies were all smiles, happily pushing prams around the farm. Callie really enjoyed every second, especially when we got up close with the goats. There was a huge horse and a pig with the biggest ears, too cute to miss. And the baby cow? Callie loved it. And of course, we ended our day at the playground. Always a perfect way to wrap it up.